Today, we will talk about linear relationships. A linear relationship is a statistical term used to describe a straight-line relationship between two variables. It can be expressed either in a graphical format, where the variable and the constant are connected via a straight line, or in a mathematical format where the independent variable is multiplied by the slope coefficient and added by a constant to determine the dependent variable. A linear relationship may be contrasted with a polynomial or nonlinear relationship. Mathematically, a linear relationship is one that satisfies the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Graphically, y equals mx plus b plots in the xy plane as a line with slope m and y-intercept b. The y-intercept b is simply the value of y when x equals 0, and the slope m is calculated from any two individual points and x2, y2. An equation expressing a linear relationship can't consist of more than two variables. All of the variables in an equation must be to the first power, and the equation must graph as a straight line. An example of a linear relationship in daily life would be the correlation between two variables, such as the speed of a vehicle and the time it takes to travel a certain distance. Similar to a linear relationship is the concept of a linear function, which can be expressed mathematically as f equals mx plus b. This substitution from y to f, x, highlights the meaning that x is mapped to f, x, whereas the use of y indicates that x and y are two quantities related by a and b. Linear relationships can be found in various everyday examples, such as calculating speed, distance, and temperature conversions. Linear relationships can also be applied in real estate to determine the market value of a home based on its size. While there are often not perfect linear relationships between variables, trend lines can be found in data that form a rough version of a linear relationship. Here are three key takeaways. 1. A linear relationship, or linear association, is a statistical term used to describe a straight-line relationship between two variables. 2. Linear relationships can be expressed either in a graphical format or as a mathematical equation of the form y equals mx plus b. 3. Linear relationships are fairly common in daily life. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.